So friends, welcome to our next video of our Linux commands. So in this video, we will be learning about two commands. One is head command, second is tail command. So basically, head command is used to display the content of a file. Okay, by default, it show the 10 lines. So basically, head display the first 10 lines from the beginning of the file. And secondly, we are going to see the tail command. So the tail command work as same like the head command, but it shows the files from the last. Okay. So without wasting time, let's move to our Linux screen and do the hands-on on these commands. So friends, we are in our Linux terminal. Okay. I hope this size is good. So for the practical of head and tail command, I have created this test java dot log file. Okay, and let me show you how many words or words online we have. So currently we have 5,000 plus words in this. Okay, so as I have told you that with the head now, we can check the first 10 lines of the files. Okay, so let's see if I show this like that. I'm getting the first 10 lines of this file. Okay, so I I hope this is clear. But this is a by default, right? By default, we get 10 lines. So what if I need to see the more lines, right? So add minus v n. So n. Now I can define the number of lines that I want to see. By default, it is 10. Now let's suppose I want to see the 100 lines, right? Sorry, it's add minus n. 100 is too big for the screen. So let's the 50 lines. So currently we are seeing the 50 lines. Okay, the first 50 line of from this. So this is the thing we are getting. So as you can see, this file is too big to handle by the head. We cannot see the things current clearly with the head commands as we are restricted, as we cannot going to be a move forward, move backward for these kind of things, right? Or the page wise. We are just scrolling our based on the 51. So okay, let me see the things with attribute p, that is verbose. Okay, so the verbose mode basically prints the log file name. Okay, so this is mostly all for the head. Let's suppose we have multiple files, right? Let me copy this file. Okay, now you can see we have three files, right? All of having the same data, no issues for that. Uh, I'm showing you if need to check. Okay, all these files at once, right? I can do like that. Okay, so you can see it's only showing okay, it's showing data from all the three files. However, it is only printing the first 10 lines by default. Okay, so 10 lines from the first file, 10 lines from the second file, 10 lines from the third file. Okay, so let me do this like I want around 30 lines. Let's see. So now it is printing the 30 lines from each files. Okay, 10 lines there. Okay, in 10 lines and 30, kind of this thing. So this is the complete use, okay, for head. So now if I want to see the bottom from bottom, right? If I need to see the bottom lines, I can use the tail command. You can think of like that. Tail is the back part and head is the front part. So tail is getting the last 10 lines. Okay, it's having the almost the same syntax. Tail minus n. Let's suppose I want to see 20, then test.java.log. Now it will print only the 20 lines. However, you can see that tail command is providing the data from the end, okay, not from the beginning, and had provide the data from the starting of the file, right? So both command are lacking somewhere. Like I cannot move from page to page to see all the logs, right? From the tail itself. If as you can see that we have almost 5,000 lines in this file, but it's not possible to view that huge file from tail or head command. Tail and head commands are basically work well with the limited files. Let's suppose we have files that only contain only 100 lines, right? 50 lines. Uh, okay, so that can be covered with the uh, head and tail command. Or basically, if you want to check the things from the beginning of the file, right? So we can use the head and take some output, like only the 20 files I need to check from the beginning. So I can use that from the head. From the tail, I need when I need to check the backend only the last few lines, then I can use the tail for every log file. Okay, but if we want to move towards the complete log file, then these commands are not enough. Okay, so in the next video we will talk about the more command and less command that are used to read the complete or big files. Okay, so till then practice these, and if you face anything just comment me, and I will see you in the next video.